Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create links between roadmap items. The quickest way to create a link is to hover over a task or milestone. An orange handle appears. Click and hold it, then drag to another item and release. The link is created automatically. You can also create links by selecting two items. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click the first item and the second item you want to link together. Keep the Control key pressed while selecting both items. Once selected, the items are highlighted with a light blue border. Next, right-click one of the selected items and choose Create Link. By default, the link type is set to Finish to start, with no lag. To change the link settings, click on the link itself. Choose a different link type. Add a lag, or update the lag unit. You can also customize the appearance of the link and change its color. This color change only applies to the selected link. If needed, you can also change the color of all links in the roadmap. Just open the roadmap settings, go to the Links tab, and update the color there. You're all set. Try it out now.